Hey everybody, I have Atmel Studio 6.1 loaded up here, and I want to spend a few minutes talking about a great little add-in for it. It's called Visual Micro. This is a follow-up video I did on the Visual Micro and Atmel Studio 6.1 install. If you haven't seen that video yet, you may want to take a minute and go take a look at it. But in this, I want to take a little bit of time here and show you off some of the features that Visual Micro provides for this platform. The first thing you're going to notice is we have a couple new combo boxes here inside the Atmel Studio. This is where we select the Arduino boards that we want to program. You have a full list here based on the Arduino libraries you have installed. Currently I have version 1.03 installed with I have an Uno board connected currently, so we'll go ahead and select the Uno, and it automatically registers on COM5, which is the correct COM port. This opens up our Micro Explorer. We'll go into that in a little bit here. This opens up the serial output window. In our file menu, we have a couple new objects here. We have create a new Arduino project. We have open existing Arduino project. In our tool menus, we have an Arduino object here that lets us select our boards, or the serial port 5. Our serial monitor, we can open it up here. It'll list any other serial ports we may have opened. This is our programmers. This lets us use our external programmers if we wish. We can actually, and it's just pretty much like the Arduino IDE. It allows you to actually use an Arduino as an in-circuit programmer. We can upload using external programmer. We burn a bootloader onto a chip. Reload the tool chain inside the Atmel Studio, and we can open the Platform Explorer or the Micro Explorer, however you want to look at it. Also in our tool windows, we have our options for Atmel Studio, and down here below we have our Visual Micro options. This is going to show us all the available deals. I currently have the debugger 30-day trial loaded, and it shows you I have 26 days left remaining. To register it, you just click in here and enter your license key, and that would how you register your license. Once it's enter your license key, it's going to say it's registered down below. Don't disable your trial if you wish to continue, because once you disable your trial, then it's over. You can't reinitiate the trial on your Atmel 6.1 install. This is the basic. Your applications is where you're pointing to your Arduino IDE files. And I covered all this in depth in the install video. I just want to go through and show you this is where everything is located at, and it shows you the available version is the .09, but I'm actually running a beta version here, which is .13. And then of course you have all your other Atmel Studio options here. Let's click OK. We'll close that window. And we'll talk here a little bit about the Micro Explorer. So to start Micro Explorer, all we need to do is we can click on the question mark here, or we can use the one in the Tools menu under Arduino and the Platform Explorer. Either one of those will open the Micro Explorer box up. You'll see we have 4 tabs. We have Reference, Examples, Web, and What's New. The references just give us library references to the Arduino language. So if you're new to C programming for the Arduino, you can just click on any one of these HTML files, and it'll open up the Arduino language reference file that's inside the Arduino IDE, and it gives you a nice little breakdown of what the language is, especially helpful for people who are new to the language. Also have the ABR library references, and the GC compiler options and references, I guess. Examples, these are the example files that are included with the Arduino IDE. The same ones. A couple different ways we can open that. We'll take a look at the example files here in just a minute. The web. Here, let me get a little bit more real estate here. Okay. This is a search engine for our Arduino, so we want to look up something related to the Arduino. It can be anything, let's say, PWM. That's a. You see, we have 3 tabs. We have all references, just the Arduino references, and then we have tutorials. And you go down here, and you can open up any one of these you wish that you want to learn more about. So just click on that. And it opens up the web browser and displays the information that you requested. So again, this is right at your fingertips. This is right in your fingertips at the inside the IDE. What new? It's just a news link to a news feed from the Visual Micro website. You can click on Visual Micro there, and it'll bring up the website. This just keeps you up to date on what's going on there. If you haven't been to the forum yet, I highly recommend you guys go ahead and join, log on there and participate. It's a great place. The wealth of information located here. It has both versions, the Visual Micro for your Arduino Studio and your Atmel Studio. So be sure and check that out. And back to the examples. This is a great tool for the beginners that you can open these up and you can learn from these examples of how the Arduino works, and we'll take a look at those here in just a second.